Good morning from Grand Family Farm. Today is Memorial Day. Today we remember the ones who have fought and fallen for our country and our freedoms. It's about 8 o'clock in the morning, about 55 degrees. The weather looks good. I have to go downtown and get some feeders for the animals since my wife is off today. So a few things we got to do after we milk the goat. We're headed to the barn to go milk Bella. Lisa's got her bucket. It's hanging on. Good morning, Bella. I know we're running late. Been a long weekend. What are you doing, Harold?
I know that this corn.
Is that good stuff, Bella? I had to give Harold some corn because he was making a lot of noise. He's spoiled. Well, just knocked those little pigs out of the way. Headed back to the house with the milk. And the eggs. Breakfast. Back from town. Stopped in Coastal and looked at different feeders. I got two for the milk goat that hang on like a 2x4, like the one she uses right now for her milk stand. But we got this one here so we can hang it on the cattle pounds for the little goats over there. My wife's taking the goats out and I'm taking for a walk. Yep, the crazy goat lady's got treats. She's looking for treats. She's actually looking for the alfalfa on the back of the golf cart. The other ones are smart and went over to the haystack.
Hi, honey. Hi, honey.
We brought them out to graze and they're just eating the haystack. Jumping up and down. Oh, look at her sharing.
Uh-huh.
Here are the other two feeders and plus a water tub for Petunia. And while we were out, my wife got this at a Hidden Treasures thrift store. We've been out here for quite a while, letting the goats get to know each other and play and attack the haystack. So we're going to go ahead and put them away. We have to milk Bella in about an hour. Sally keeps bugging me because she wants to go for a ride. Yeah. This Brandy does too. The goats have found the barn. Oh. Hang on, Harold. We'll be back in about an hour.
Hey.
Yeah, they found out where we stashed the grain. Alright, taking the little goats back up to their home. Lisa's trying out the new milk machine. And she's moving around quite a bit. I had to switch her grain out for corn to get her settled down, but she's still antsy.
It's okay.
There's something new to her. Well, she didn't like the milking machine, so let's hand milk her. And we'll try the milk machine a little bit at a time, let her get used to it. It's all new to her. Of course, it could have been because she's been running around today and with other goats, and she's just antsy.
They got most of
She sure loves his corn.
It's like candy. That's the dangerous thing.
I gave her this grain, and she ate the corn out of the top of it. Bella's been milked. Everybody's been grained. That hay later, they got grain now. Harold just wants special attention, huh, Harold? Yeah, yeah. Spoiled pig. Okay, all these guys are fed. Our chores are done for the day. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening.